Welcome to Tobor Technology. In dark, damp, and hazardous spaces, safety should always come first. That's why our robots are designed to inspect for you. With proven remote inspection solutions, inspections are safer and easier. Let's discover smarter solutions for confined space inspection. And these are the tools that make it happen. Our goal is simple: to take the physical burden off your shoulders. Instead of you squeezing under unstable flooring or navigating tight structural gaps, these machines do the heavy lifting, keeping you clean, professional, and completely out of harm's way. No matter the obstacle, we have a specialized unit for the job. Meet our lineup: the rugged Xtreme, the versatile Optimus, and the compact Xplore. Powered by a precision remote control system, operators can control the robot with confidence while inspecting the environment in real time. Responsive controls enable accurate navigation, and the camera system provides clear visibility into every corner of the crawlspace. For standard inspections, this setup delivers stable performance out of the box. For larger or deeper crawlspaces, customers can choose to add an optional repeater to extend the operating range and further optimize long-distance control stability, depending on site conditions. The robot's camera lets you adjust angles freely. It raises, lowers, and tilts to capture angles that fixed systems miss. This means you can check every nook and cranny of dark, confined, or awkward spaces without ever having to crawl in yourself. Combined with a bright white LED lighting system, even the darkest corners are clearly illuminated, so nothing goes unnoticed and every potential hazard can be assessed safely. As you know, the space under floors can be narrow and full of hidden obstacles, making manual inspections risky and cumbersome. That's why we developed a foldable body design specifically for the Xtreme and Optimus. This allows them to adjust and move smoothly over pipes and other small obstacles. This flexible structure helps maintain stability while navigating uneven crawlspace terrain, keeping the inspection moving without interruption. Take a closer look underneath. The robot features 4 optimized anti-slip wheels, giving it extra grip and stability so it can glide effortlessly over the tricky, uneven surfaces often found under your floors. Now, to help you find the perfect fit for your workflow, let's take a closer look at the details of each robot, starting with the Optimus. Built with a sturdy aluminum body, Optimus is designed to handle bumps and minor impacts while navigating crawlspaces. Its camera system features a 5x optical zoom, providing just the right amount of magnification to inspect objects in detail. This powerful combination establishes Optimus as the ideal workhorse, providing the reliability and visual detail that are absolutely essential for professional-grade inspections. Now, if you're looking for the ultimate powerhouse, meet the Xtreme, a true beast on any crawlspace terrain. It's equipped with a versatile dual-camera system. You have a main camera with an impressive 18x optical zoom, paired with a secondary unit that you can manually flip to view either straight up or down. Need to get into a tighter spot? You can simply fold the entire mast flat, reducing the robot's height by 30% so you can navigate even the narrowest areas with ease. And when it comes to clarity, let's take a closer look at the camera capabilities. With up to 18x optical zoom, you can inspect every detail from a safe distance, even small labels, with sharp, high-quality images that rival high-end mobile cameras. Notably, the Xtreme robot unlocks 2D mapping capabilities when equipped with the LiDAR-based. You can easily order this upgrade directly on our website. It not only keeps you out of tight crawlspaces but also delivers highly accurate measurements with virtually zero error compared to reality. Finally, rounding out the lineup is the Xplore, our most compact model. It features a durable plastic body and a streamlined design that allows it to maneuver flexibly through tight, tricky crawlspaces. Its lightweight build and integrated camera make it incredibly easy to carry and quick to deploy for those essential, everyday inspections. To help you decide, let's look at the real-world difference between the Xtreme, Optimus, and Xplore to see exactly how they stack up. Moreover, your robot can be controlled from any device, tablet, computer, or smartphone. That wraps up our look at the series. We've built these robots to make your job safer, faster, and easier. Visit the website on your screen to book your free remote test drive. You can take control of the yourself, right from your browser. Thanks for watching.